Science Trivia by Angelia Orton. The board game. The objective of the game is to be the first group to reach 30 points. The equipment includes a game board, 1 dice, 24 life and living things cards, 24 matter and materials cards, 24 energy and change cards, 24 planet Earth and beyond cards, 18 score sheets, and 4 game pieces. The game setup is as follows. Learners divide into 4 teams. They place the game board in the center. Each team selects a game piece and places it at the starting position. The deck of cards is then shuffled and placed face down on the designated spots on the board. How to play. Each group takes turns to roll the dice. When a group rolls the dice, they have to move the game piece the number of spaces shown on the dice, and then follow the instructions as shown in the block that they land on. This may include additional rolls, losing points, or other special actions. If a learner lands on a draw card space, it will either tell them on which deck to draw the card or they can choose themselves. Once they have drawn the card, they then have to answer the question correctly. If you do not answer correctly, you don't earn any points. If you do answer it correctly, you earn the total number of points at the top of the card. The game continues this way until the first team gets 30 points. Here is a detailed images of the board itself. As you can see, each block has different actions for the learners to follow. Here are some more images. What is the purpose of the board game? The board game is based on the content of Natural Science and Technology in grade 6 and is also based on the CAPS document itself. All the questions are based on the content done throughout the year. Content includes life and living things, matter and materials, energy and change, planet Earth and beyond. It was also designed to help learners revise for exams in a fun way. It can also be used for formative assessment. The content includes life and living things. Under those cards, you will find questions based on photosynthesis, nutrients in food, nutrition, food processing, and ecosystems and food webs. Under matter materials, you will find solids, liquids, and gases, mixtures, solutions as special mixtures, dissolving, mixtures and water resources, and processes to purify water. Under energy and change, you will find electric circuits, electrical conductors and insulators, systems to solve problems, and mains electricity. Under planet Earth and beyond, you will find the solar system, movements of the Earth and planets, the movement of the moon, systems for looking into space, and systems to explore the moon and Mars. There are different types of questions, including single answer questions, where a question is asked and a single answer is required, multiple choice questions, identify the picture questions, as well as complete the sentence, and naming questions. Naming questions can be up to 4 points. The game is aligned with CAPS. The learner's prior knowledge of the content covered throughout the year is tested in the board game. All of the information and graphs are scientifically accurate. The board game is made out of items that have been reused or recycled. What are the perks of the game? Learners can play on their own. Answers on the cards provide instant feedback to the learners. It can create a healthy competition in the classroom. Learners can revise content in a fun way, as well as allow the teacher to check the learner's understanding of the content. Here is the YouTube link to my YouTube channel.